Hey, this is Billy G. And my phone's been going off today. Oh yeah, I've been on this old Twitter. Alright, I'm gonna do a ringtone right now. As I'm gonna show how I like it when I get a text, phone call, tweet, or something, anything but the phone calls. Oh, there I'm getting a tweet right now. Oh, you heard that tone, didn't you? Hey, listen again. Oh, yeah. Let me show you about when I get a phone call, folks. I want y'all to listen to this. Yep, sounds like I get a phone call. Haha, post your comment. Tell me what you think about the ringtones. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright. Going back on Twitter. Post your comment. Tell me what you think. Anything.